Here's how to change the app icon on iPhone. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can change the app icon on your iPhone. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So first of all, what you have to do is just select your web browser so you can download the new app icon. So you could go to Safari or Google Chrome or whatever web browser you want to use. So in this video, I'm going to use Safari. So here, as you can see, I've already wrote the website name. What you have to do is just type in icons8 on the search bar. Once you type in icons8, just go to the website. And once you're here, what you have to do is just type in the name of your icon app that you want to change. So for this video, I'm just going to write in Instagram. And once I type Instagram here, as you can see, there are many different types of app icons. So I'm just going to download this one right over here. So what you have to do is just tap on it. And once you tap on it, it will bring up this. So here you'll be able to see the option of download. Just press on download. And once you press on it here, it's going to bring up this. So what you have to do is just press on PNG. And it's going to give you the pixel size. And we're going to need the HD pixel size. So we're just going to select 500 by 500 and remove the 100 by 100. And just press download. Once you press download, it's going to begin its processing of downloading. And yeah, just press on download. And here, as you can see, it's downloaded, and we have it right over here. So once the app icon is downloaded, what you have to do is just go to shortcuts. So this is the shortcuts app. If you don't have it, just go to your app store and type in shortcuts. And here you will be able to see shortcuts. If you don't have it, you could just basically download it. So open shortcuts, and once you're here, just press on the plus icon on the top. Once you press on it, press on add action. Once you press on add action, type in open app. And once you do this, you'll be able to see the option of open app, the second one. Just press on it. And then you have to press in on the app. And then you have to select the app that you want to change the app icon for. So I'm just going to select Instagram because we downloaded the Instagram. And here it is. Once I select Instagram, here as you can see, so here in the bottom you'll be able to see the eye icon on the bottom. So just press on it, and here what you have to do is just press on add to home screen. And here you have to change the name of your shortcuts and type in Instagram as the same. And once you do this, press on the image icon right next to your shortcuts icon. Once you do this, and just press on choose file. So you could directly use this file right over here, as you can see, and just press add. And once you do this, here you can see that we have successfully changed our app icon on iPhone. So we do have an Instagram, but let's say this is an alternative, and you could just use it however you want to. And once we open Instagram, it's gonna work just like Instagram, how it is. And yeah, this is how basically you can change the app icon on iPhone. So I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.